Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and right now I'll be showing you how to use Google Classroom without going into G Suite. So I'm going to show you how to skip the hassle and all of that and get straight into business. So all you do is just open Play Store, or if you're using the App Store, I'm using an iPhone. For Android users, you will use Play Store. So you just open Play Store. You'll go to the search bar and you type in Google Classroom. Now this is an app that allows you to be seeing all your classroom. It's an app, you don't have to go into Gmail and do all of that. So it's quite simple. So I already have the app installed, so I'll just open mine, and right here you can see, you'll see your classes right there and all of that. So I'll just open mine, and here if you don't have the classes, you can add them, put a special code that your teachers can provide you with, which I'll be showing you in a few seconds. So as soon as this loads up, and you also have another one which you can use for meetings. So right here you can see down the bottom right there, you saw my email come up. Now this is my class, right? I signed in with my email and password that I got from my school, and now I can see all my classes, as you guys can see right here. And you can add other Gmail accounts to it. Over here you can see all my classes. You can see the calendar right there. It's a bit jumpy, but yeah. Now if you go into right there where you see the plus option, here's where you can add your classes with a code that your teachers will give you if you are not in the class already. So you can add classes here also. So as I said, this is quite simple. You can use this for all your classes, so you won't have to do the G Suite login and all of that. Now the option up there, here's where you can add an email address that the school gives you, so you'll be able to see your classes, because no other email will work with the Google Classroom. So as you can see, I'm signed in and there are my classes. I'm seeing all my classes right there. So now I'm going to show you how another app. This is called Google Meet, right? So while using this app, you won't have to go to Google and log in and to join all the meets and all of that. You can just use this app right here to join all your virtual meetings and all of that. So these two apps makes it quite simple, guys. You can just download them. If you have any questions, jump in the comment section, and here you'll also have to add email address.